So got to replace this annoying broken CD player here. So I have the key inserted, then move it to drive so that I have more space in here. It's still like trying to turn on. So I'm gonna just pry this off. Pry it easily. Yep, you can just like move it like this. Then you can just take out this lower portion of it. This too. It's out. You could just like pry this one. Yeah, this whole thing just pries easily. And once it's out, you could just remove all the cables in here. You might probably disconnect the battery. In my case, I don't need to because I have a scanner to clear the codes if it fails or it shows a code. So you take these out, one over there, and then the 12-volt battery, 12-volt plug out. It's easy. Once they're out, oh, I forgot this one. So it's just 2 torque screws in here to remove this, and then there's some tabs that secures it. So it just goes out. This one too is held by 2 torque screws over here, and you just pull it out. So it looks like we've got a compatibility issue. So the one that I have doesn't have all these connectors here, which is weird. So we got all the screws taken out. I think I got one here, one over here, there. I'll just leave this one. This is for the fan. The cover out. You just pry the tabs on this side. Then we can take this out. Remove the board. Yep. Once you remove the board, yep, you can take this out. Here's my replacement. It's basically the same size, and I'm just gonna solder the wires over here. So I got the wire soldered. Yep. You have to put this way because you have to put this cover on top. Everything just clamps in. Yeah, this one over here, one over here. Yep. And I'm going to put back all the screws back in. And we're gonna put it back. And there's 2 D30 torque screws here. That secures it. Our climate control is ready. So now I have to deal with the broken CD player and how to do this one. I don't know how we can retrofit this, but all the connectors, I cannot swap this. So what I'm going to do is, so that it will not activate, is just to disconnect this portion here. Yep, disconnect this. I think this is the motor. So I don't care if the CD doesn't work. It's easy to replace this anyway. Find the exact model. So this one is this model, and this one, yeah, this is completely different. Put this back in. 2 torque screws. Both sides. Now it's back in place. And put this back in. It just slides in and push it. That's how easy it is. I'm going to put back all the screws there. D30s ready to be put in.